the most important skill to be an aircraft maintenance engineer would be to know that you're responsible for passengers' lives when you're working on these aircraft. Yep, you are going to be held accountable for anything that you don't do properly or do to a good standard. Safety is number one priority, and it starts at number one. It starts with you to make sure that you're doing the job to a high standard and that you can trust yourself and your teammates to do that exact same job to that same standard so that everybody is safe at the end of the day. So if a friend came and spoke to me and asked me, what's it like working there? Or should I get this job? First of all, I'm probably the wrong person to talk to because I'm going to straight away say, yes, it's the right job to come to. Because I can sit in the workshop and hear those aircraft taking off all day. That gives me the motivation. And then secondly, just having my hands on the aircraft, on the engines, on all the components, fixing that and knowing that I'm keeping other passengers and the pilots and the aircrew safe while they're flying, just makes it all worth it for me. So firstly, I've already answered the question to them and now they're already hooked.